Prima Power is a very, very long established company. It's basically part of the Prima industry group. Prima Power itself actually includes Power, which is a very, very well-known company, and we've got a very large combined product range for machinery for sheet metal processing. That includes lasers, it includes press brakes, panel benders and punch and shearing machines, along with a whole host of other technologies that go alongside those processes. The latest developments, we actually have two types of laser cutting machines. So we do 3D lasers and we also do 2D flatbed lasers. The development, probably one of the most recent ones, would be the new head technology that we have on the 2D lasers, which is basically allowing us the ability to use, with a minimal change of setups, the thicker and thinner materials at a range of different speeds, so the customer can get the absolute best out of the machine using the new head technology without having to make too many adjustments and changes. Right, well, the press brakes, basically we have servo-electric technology on all of our machines. So the press brakes are fully servo-electric powered. They use a very rigid and robust design so that we basically get a full spread of force right across the frame of the machine without the tendency for the forces to be on either end as you get with a hydraulic press brake. On the panel benders, those machines are very, very sophisticated machines where with our equipment you can basically give a sheet of metal to the machine, give it the program and let it actually process the whole sheet, doing all of the bends right the way around the periphery and all of the forms so that you get a finished product at the end of it. The punching machines have moved on quite a long way as well. The development and the tooling is really what offsets these machines. We've got the new turret capabilities on the machines, which means we can load indexable tooling, and we have an intelligent head now, which allows us to use multi-tools basically as indexable tools, which really ups the capability and the flexibility of the machines using that tooling technology. All of the machines are Industry 4.0 compatible. They've got all of that built into them as a standard, and we actually have full in-house software capabilities, so we can go from the basic machine control all the way through to all of the nesting capabilities, and also the reporting back using Industry 4.0 to ERP systems, remote diagnostics, and all of the information around that.